Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome back to my corner of YouTube, my YouTube channel. Alright, so in today's video, we're gonna be seeing how to get a free CS50 certificate from Harvard University itself, free of cost. And not only certificate, of course, you get you to do a course from from Harvard University's best teachers to get the certification. It's fully free. So let me start. So first of all, let me tell you what is CS50. CS50, which is Computer Science 50, and is a free online course that is offered by Harvard University's best teachers, and it's really helpful. So let's show you how it's done. So I open Chrome, the demo account, and here I type edx.org this slash CS50. Enter. There we are. Now let's go down, scroll down. These are all the courses. I would highly recommend that you do the programming the Python course the first because it's the basic course with all of these other courses. Actually, this is PS50X. This is the main course, and these are all sub courses or like branches of it. But it is highly recommended to do this course. So let's go left click. So here we are. Now we're gonna click on this audit course. Here. Scroll down. Register with Google. Left click. Now this is about to take us to again scroll down. This one audit course. Click. Yeah, it's showing resume course for me because I've already tested out this video and all. So that's why it's showing resume course for me. But for you, it will show something like start going. Here you can see there it is demo data. So this is the base in your account, and for you to show start course or take course something like that, don't worry, it is completely normal. Just left click. This website wherein it's called edX, it is completely safe, nothing to worry. The course can be done here, but it is way more convenient to do it in the Harvard University's own platform. Wait a minute. Since I have done it before, yeah. So this is where you'll come, I believe, introduction video and all. But I recommend before seeing the video, click on this left click, then left click. I know all these things. We're gonna see the introduction, everything. When left click on problem set 0, and you'll be and now here you can left click over here, and there you go. Introduction Python and all. This is takes itself focuses, but it focuses on all these, while CS50P gives you the programming basics and Python. So I recommend you do CS50P before CS50X. So watch the introduction, left click, and you can watch the introduction video. This is how you take the course. You're supposed to watch the lecture. It is highly recommended to watch the shorts, but not a must. Then you submit the problem set for that lecture. Then you do the course final project and get a certificate from Harvard University itself. So let's see how this works. On the left side, if you scroll a bit, you can see these 10. Since it starts from 0, it is 9, but we know it's 10. So this is what Harvard University calls weeks. So if I left click on functions and variables, week 0, week 1, like that, week 9. So the lecture we talked about. Then you can get the notes, source code, subtitles, video, MP4, YouTube and all. Then the shorts, which are recommended but not a must. And then the problem set 0. Then click. Since this is the first time you're doing a problem set, you have to do all of these steps. And once you do all this, you'll be able to do each of these problems. So this is this Google form you have to submit. As you can see, if you open it, there's a Google form and you have to allow and then submit. Okay, I'm not gonna do it now. Then visit this link and log in with your GitHub account. GitHub is a cloud where you can store codes, and for CS50 it is a must. CS50 requires this cloud. Don't worry, everything here is free. And also log in with your GitHub account. You will have to create one, of course, and then click on authorize CS50. You'll get the button authorize CS50. Just click on it. Then check all this. Then CS50.dev. This is the cloud-based version of VS Code, which gives you your very own code space. So you should not install VS Code or Python on your laptop or anything. This Harvard University's version of VS Code is the only thing you can use to um, code for this big course, or I think for other safety courses as well. You can use other tools for coding, but for these CHP courses, it is highly recommended to use their version. You can see the short to get a full overview on their version. Then close any welcome tabs. Type update 50 in the terminal window. I'm not going to explain anything about terminal window or code space or anything. All that will be explained in the course lecture itself. But let me just tell you the fourth step of what do you mean by cloud-based version, VS Code, all this. It's basic. So you just got to open cs50.dev, and then we'll be talking about here. You'll be taken to a code space. That's it. And once you go to that code space, what you have to do, how you have to use it, all that is explained in the course. So I would not want to explain it at all. So this are all the problems. This is the problem set with 5 problems for this week, for this lecture. So you click on the first one. Look at the before you begin. Type CD in the terminal window. Your terminal window will look like this. Copy paste this to make a folder, then copy paste CD into and then copy paste code into.py. Then they go here and read all these requirements. These are the requirements for the code that you're going to make. So based on the requirements, you're going to make a code that can fulfill all the requirements, and that's it. Just the requirement. Nothing extra and all. If you get stuck anywhere, you can click on hints and you get the hints. But I would not expect you to understand all this without seeing the lecture and all. This is a demo. When you run the code and give this specific input, your code should give this output. That's what they want your code to do. The demo, so it's showing you what they expect from your code. And you can do all this manual testing, or you can just copy paste this check 50 in your terminal window, and it will do a full test of your code and show red frownies or green smileys. Wherever it shows a red frowny, you can debug it, find out the mistakes, fix it and all. And once you have all green smileys in this, then you copy paste this in your terminal window to save the problem set. This problem, not problem set, sorry. This problem is submitted. Now you click on this left arrow. So this Indo voice, this specific one is done. Now the second one, playback speed. Go there, read the before you begin first, then go and read the requirements. The hints are here, the demo is here, testing and submit. That's how you finish all 5 of it. Once you have submitted all 5 after fully testing, over here you can see the zero problem set 0. Now we go to week 1. 1. It's called conditional. This is the lecture, all the screenshots and all the problem set one. The problem set one, if you see the steps are less because now you're already enrolled and also you don't need much, but you still have to open csp.deb, the VS Code for the university. You have to update your terminal and then you have to do all these problem sets. That's how you do for all 10 of them. Once you're done with all 10 of these um, courses and lectures and problems and you've submitted all of them, then you can get a certificate. Let me show you how it's done. But first I'll open it up in my account because I done the course in my account. So yeah. So on the left side, if we scroll down, there's a button, CSP certificate. Left click, there you go. Written via CSP certificate with red color with underline. Left click on this. There you go. What Cambridge and so that maybe it can ask you to log in or something. You can log in. You want A4 or letter, and then you can create A4 page. This is the unique link of my specific certificate. You all will get a different one. So left click on this will take me here. This is the letter size. Paper has letter size, A4 size, etc. etc. So we get in letter or if this is letter. If you want A4, just click over here. Delete letter from capital A and 4. Enter. Have the A4 version. Certificate, Cambridge Nusrat, 2025, and Harvard University itself. And it's from David J. Millen, who is going to be the professor for this course. Personally, he's a very good teacher, no doubt. So that was all. If anybody has any doubts, needs any help, or just want to talk or anything, please feel free to reach out to me. These are my contact information. Hope to see you guys more often. So that's all. Thank you guys. Goodbye.